Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and we're going to show you how to create a separate handrail for your scaffolding. Let's get started. To create a handrail section, as you can see here, I've got an opening here where I need to create a section of handrail in. All I'm going to do is make a copy of this bay, because what I've done, I've altered the height of this leg here for this bay, obviously to get to my roof section at top. Because I've altered this, I want to make a copy of this, because if I drag on a new bay and do it, the bay will come on as a preset lower down. So all I'm going to do is highlight the bay, click Control, wait for the plus sign, drag it away, place it down. I'm going to strip all my lifts down because I only need the ground zero. I'm going to turn off my planks, put my handrails on what I need, turn off them, leave my toe board on this section here because I still need a toe board. I'm going to go into my bay details. I'm going to turn off the sides that I don't need. So into sides, get rid of my T, L and R, just keeping my B side. Into verticals, this is where you turn off your standards. So I don't need T and R, I don't need T and L, I need to keep my B and R, so get rid of me B and L. And then I need to change me B and R from a base jack to a beam rider. Click apply, close that down. Now I can move this into place. And then what I need to do is make this smaller. So if I make it a 207, we'll place that on there. Let's have a look in my model view. As you can see, I've got my beam rider on for my spigot standard, standing up. My ledges go straight into there. But the scenario you might have, if I put a ladder gate on, so into my ladder gates, as you can see, that's the standard ladder gate what I've placed in. And you can see there's a bit of a gap. So obviously my ledges aren't big enough. So what I can do is click on the part I've made, change this now to a connector bay, which then will give me this, what I can bring closer to my ladder gate, about there. It'll automatically turn blue, so that means I ain't got a ledger at that size. It'll turn it to tube. So if I go into my model view, as you can see there, I just need to bring it back a bit, back into my model view. There you go. My handrails now hit my gate, so I'm happy with that, and that's how you make a quick section of handrails. I hope this helps. If you like this video, please stay tuned for more to come.